All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So new bag is in for my DSLR. Here it is right here. I'll have a link in the description. This is the brand here. The bag itself is pretty sweet. So I'm going to show you. I don't have very much in here, but I do have some things in here. I can actually put a tripod in here as well. My mini tripod will go in here as well, but didn't want to put that in there just to demo for this video. But let's pop it open. First things first, you can see a little bit of branding right here. And then you've got a zipper here with some, you can put things in there. And I'll show you where I have my stuff at. It's got a little carrying handle there, but it also has the shoulder strap. This is stored inside the bag when I got it. On the sides here, I'll take the things out that are in here. So I got batteries over there. Over here should be my microphone clamp for my external microphone. It has another spot back here, but I didn't put anything in there. And you fold it open here, and then you've got a front pocket where I put my chargers to my batteries. This can fit a whole bunch of stuff in here, but I just put the stuff that I would travel with in here. And then this side, this portion here, obviously, I have more things. I've got my microphone there. I've got one lens. I've got two lenses. And then I've got the DSLR. So this bag has these adjustable slots here. You can take them out, put them where you want to put them. I just put them in like this, just to position 3 things. But it can store a lot. You can take these all the way out and you can have a much bigger bag for carrying things. But this thing is packed with options or slots in here to store things. And honestly, the only other thing that I would put in here is this, like I said before, my tripod. This is the only other thing that I will put in here, and it could fit in here. It can fit in one of the side pockets because I've got 2 more side pockets that I can put this in. So this is a lot that can go in this little camera bag. But I wanted to go ahead and show you the bag. Once again, I'll have a link in the description. There's the price. It's $39. So hit the link up in the description if you want to pick up one. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care.